Hello, I'm Connor and welcome to the Ambrogio lab. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a battery on an Ambrogio 20 model. So, the first thing I'd recommend is placing the robot upside down on a towel or something soft to prevent scratching off the lid. So the first thing that you need to do is to remove the hubcaps off the rear wheel using a flat-headed screwdriver. So you just pop it in the little gap and you pry gently from all sides as to not damage it, and it comes off quite easily like so. And repeat the process for the other side. Like so. And then what you need to do is to remove the wheels. So what you need for this is a 7mm socket. So I have a socket on a 1/4 inch drive, so I can use it in my handheld screwdriver like so. So nice and simple like that. There is a serrated washer and a nut inside there. I'd recommend putting the hubcap back on as to not lose them, because they are quite small and quite easy to lose. So then we'll do the next wheel like so and repeat the process. And then what you need is a long 150mm Torx 20 driver bit. So, and then we start unscrewing the lid of the robot. So there are 6 screws in the machine, 2 at the front, 2 in the middle here, and 2 at the back hidden under the rear wheels, which is why we had to remove them. So with those 6 screws undone, you flip the robot over, and the screws may fall out. Sometimes they do stay in the hole. So I'd recommend just checking once the robot's on its normal sitting position to just make sure none of the screws have fell out, such as one here. So what you do then is you just lift the lid up like so, and you need to be careful because there's the rain sensor cable and the ribbon cable there. So with the rain sensor cable, if the robot's never been opened before, there is a small cable tie holding it to the motor wiring looms. So all you need to do is to just get a pair of side cutters or something else that's suitable for cutting cable ties, and just snip it off like that. And then I'd recommend removing the ribbon cable for the lid first. That way you've got access to the rain sensor cable. And then you just have to locate the cable and unplug it like so. Right, so now that you've got the robot open, we are going to be replacing the battery in this video. So all you do is to unclip it, like so, and remove it. So the battery will either be one of these 5Ah models, or one of these 2.5Ah models, which have been discontinued and superseded by the 5Ah model. If you find that the robot does have a 2.5Ah model, you may have to fabricate some foam retaining strips using the foam that holds the existing battery in place. So with the old battery removed, you just pop the new battery in like so, connect it up, and then you put the lid back on and reassemble the robot.